Turn down. Turn down means to decrease something or to reject something. So turn down has two important meanings in everyday American English. The first meaning is to decrease something. This is the opposite of turn up. You use it when something is too loud, too bright, too hot, or too intense, and you want it lowered. Some common things that you can turn down are the volume, the air conditioning, the heat, the lights, or the TV. You'll hear it in houses, cars, restaurants, offices, basically everywhere. Some examples of turn down when the definition means to decrease something are, please turn down the TV. It's too loud. We could also say, she turned down the heat because it was getting warm. Can you turn down the music a little? The music's too loud. Or they turned down the lights for the movie. We could also say, he asked her to turn down the air conditioner. Now, the second meaning of turn down is to reject or decline something. This meaning has nothing to do with sound or temperature. It means to say no to an offer, an invitation, a request, or an opportunity. So some of the common ways that we use this turn down is when we're talking about a job offer. You can turn down a job offer. You can reject a job offer. You say no to it. Or you can turn down an invitation. You can also turn down a loan or a deal, or turn down a request. And it is extremely common in work and personal life. Now, some examples of turn down when the meaning is to reject or decline something are, she turned down the job offer. We could also say, I had to turn down the invitation. Or, they turned down our proposal. We could also say, he turned down the deal because it wasn't good enough. Or, she politely turned down the request. Now repeat after me. Turn down. Turn down. Turn down. She turned down the job offer. Why did he turn it down?